What's up everyone, I'm Eric with Pimp My Grill, introducing a brand new product that the barbecue industry has desperately needed. Pimp My Grill's Pit Protector is an anti-corrosive oil and shine that will protect your grill from corrosion and rust, and it will leave it looking shiny and beautiful. Now we've picked up this old pellet grill here that's been used, abused, it's been loved in all the right ways, and we're gonna show you how Pit Protector will make this pellet grill look brand new again. We'll show you how it works. What we're gonna do is we're gonna tape off half of this grill and apply the Pit Protector, and then we'll remove the paper and we'll show you the difference between protected and unprotected. Pimp My Grill's Pit Protector is not only an anti-corrosive oil and shine, it is a rejuvenation to faded paint. It will help fix sun-bleached paint. The rust protective properties will last up to 2 years. We recommend for the continued shine, that beautiful brand new look, continue to apply that about every 3 months. All right, we've let our Pit Protector set in for about 30 minutes, so now it's time for the big reveal. Let's rip that paper off and show you what it did. All right, folks, thanks for checking out the power of Pit Protector. If you're interested in this product and many other cool upgrades for your barbecues, visit pimpmygrill.com or check with your local barbecue dealer because there's a good chance they're carrying our products there. We're gonna finish covering the rest of this grill. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.